Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where control panel is missing or not working in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. This is a serious issue. Before anything else, update Windows. Right click on the start button, settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. Make sure that each and every update is installed and turn the switch on. The next one it will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And you will have to restart the computer as well. Once both of these are done, the next stage is going to be as follows. You will have to recover the system because there's nothing else left. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to this option here, system, and then scroll down and select recovery, and then click on reset PC and then select remove everything, and then finally click on cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.